composite materials demand is increasing more and more in the aerospace sector. The great mechanical properties and ability to be recycled make them a clear alternative to thermoset polymers. However, conventional recycling processes are not cost-efficient enough to be implemented at an industrial level. Therefore, a new technology should be developed. The SPARTA project aims to design and develop a novel methodology to recycle 100% of thermoplastic composite materials and manufacture a new composite part for a secondary application. This is a 2-year project in which the consortium formed by AIMPLAS and Tecnológico work together to achieve the eco-design and the sustainability challenges of the Clean Sky program.
The role of Tecnológico in SPARTA is the development of a mechanical cutting technology for the scrapping of thermoplastic-based composites. Supported by finite element simulation, a special tool has been designed aiming to get thin scrap tapes containing long fibers so that they can be used for the manufacturing of new recycled parts with better mechanical properties. The experimentation has been done using this kind of panels and different layups. The developed scrapping process results in this kind of tapes containing long fibers that can be as long as the input material. However, we can make them shorter in order to fit the subsequent manufacturing steps. Recovery rates up to 85% can be achieved depending on the initial layup.
After that, 2 process steps are combined. On the one hand, the automatic deposition of the UV tapes using the collaborative robots, and on the second hand, the material consolidation using the compression molding equipment. Thus, a new panel is obtained made of 100% recycled material. This novel methodology brings about the opportunity to extend the SPARTA solution to any other kind of transport sector where the thermoplastic composite material is used. We would like to thank the European Commission for the funding projects and the topic manager, the Netherlands Research Center, for the technical support to the consortium.